Hello. So, today I will be explaining why 273 and 529, when they're combined, they form another group, a larger group. And 273 is one of the groups we'll be adding, as well as 529. And the definition of addition is combining two groups and counting the result. Okay, so what 273 really represents is three different groupings of numbers in this case. And those groupings are the ones place, the tens place, and the hundreds place. And I'll start out by drawing out the groupings for 273. Okay, so 273, there are two groups of 10 by 10s, and I will call these flats. And these 10 by 10s represent 100 singles. And in the tens place here, the 7, we have 7 rods. And these represent 7 groups of 10. So each rod is 10 singles. And the 3 in 273 in the singles place represents just 3 singles. And those added together all get 273. Okay, and now 529. There are 5 flats in 529, and once again these represent 10 by 10 rods, and so there are 100 singles in each of this grouping, each of this tens place grouping. And now there are also 9 singles. Okay, so back to the problem. When adding 9 plus 3, you're really adding the 9 plus 3 from each grouping of singles in 273 and 529. So we take the 9 singles and add them to the 3 singles in 273. And when you do this, you get 9, 10, 11, 12. So you get 12. And that automatically forms a rod. Okay, so I will add another rod right here. Cross this out. Cross this out. And you get 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, but you still get 2 singles. Okay, and you put the rod that you take from 9 plus 3, which is 12. You take that rod and you put it in the tens place grouping, because we put it all with the other rods. And then you put the 2 singles, which you have left, and you put it right where the other singles are. Okay, so now onto the tens group placement. We have 7 rods, besides that one, 7 rods plus the 2 rods in 529. 7 rods plus 2 rods plus the 1 rod, which we got from 12, 10 is 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Huh, perfect. Okay, now we add the and also we had 7, 8, 9, 10. And when we got past 9 and made 10, we formed what's called a super cube, which, as I explained earlier, well, not a super cube, is a flat, but that is 10 by 10. And we formed another one of those, and we're going to represent that by placing it right here. Okay, so we had 5, 6, 7, 8. And there are So that is 802 is what you get when you combine the three grouping, the singles, tens, and hundreds placement numbers. When you combine them all together, that gets 802. Thank you.